Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create multiple artboard in Illustrator. So we can see we have this just one artboard. To create in this toolbar list, find out this artboard, create and adjust artboards on the canvas. So click here. Now Control C and Control V. So this way you can duplicate your single artboard. Same, you can create multiple artboard. Another way, click on File, then Document Setup. Here click on Edit Artboards and click on this plus icon to create a new one. So we can see now we have about 7 artboards. To arrange, click here. Now drag and drop any particular artboard. So this way you can arrange as your requirement. So thanks for watching. Comment this video is useful for you.